Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Packs. Have you ever seen these, my friend? The silica gel packs. By the way, do not eat these or consume these. Look at that, it says throw away. But we are not throwing these away. I have several hacks for you and how you can use these in your home. I get a ton of these because I order products on Amazon. They put them with clothing. Let's get into it. Oh, and we're going to talk about how you can use these on your windshield as well. Oh, did you drop your phone in the toilet while you were trying to do some of my fun toilet cleaning hacks? Rather than using rice, save your gel packs, put it in a bag to help absorb any of the moisture that came in contact with that thing. How about filing cabinets or photo albums? This is a great way to keep your keepsakes intact. If you're wondering, I have 4 children, so we keep these fun things on hand to keep them entertained and occupied, and fun little prizes for good behavior. Well, let's be honest, it's when mama needs a break. How about your camping gear? It can often retain a lot of moisture. Stick some of these packets in your camping repertoire and you're good to go. How about inside your toolbox, especially when it comes to those screws and nails, which can often rust? Holiday decor, don't mind if I do. I'm just gonna slide a few of these inside of my husband's hunting gear here. Suitcases, genius, my friend. Want a great way to reduce the amount of fog that gets on your mirrors and you do not want to reapply shaving cream all the time? Just have a few of these strategically placed away from kids and children. Of course, you will have a lot less moisture around your mirrors. Have you ever wondered what's inside of these packets? Well, now you know. It kind of looks like rabbit poop. Let me know in the comments box below if you agree with that one. In case you were wondering, you can reuse these in case you find that the effectiveness of them has gone down. Just go ahead and bake them in the oven. And last but not least, if you find that you are getting a lot of moisture on your car windshield and you have places to be, and depending upon the season, you can go ahead and take some of these gel packs and stick them on your windshield like this, and this will help reduce the moisture just like it does with anything that I showed you in this video. Let me know which is your favorite in that comments box below. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, click this video on screen now for some more amazing cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.